Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to convert a .txt file into an image. Here you can see this one is an example. This one is basically one image, but we have a text file. Here let me show you this one .text format. Okay, now let's see how we can do that. Now here let me type .txt to JPG converter online. So this one is the website that you can open, and after that you can add your image. This one. Here you can select your desired format. After that scroll down and click on convert button. Now we can save this image in our laptop. Here you can see image is ready and you can check the file format.